Good job, Max. Good job counting. Max, what are you going to do with all this?
I'm going to turn and turn.
Max,
Hmm?
can you count those rocks?
No. I can go.
Don't count those rocks.
Okay, but some turns. But some
The sand?
yeah.
What about it? Hey.
Yeah. Well,
Come here, Leo. Come here. You want to go see what Leo's doing? Max, let's go see what Leo's doing. I heard the lizard. I heard the lizard. Over in the bushes. Where'd it go?
In the bushes.
In the bushes?
Yeah.
Come here. Come here, I want to show you something.
Up there.
Come here.
Up there.
You did?
Yeah.
Come here.
Up there.
Oh, okay. Come here. Come here.
Up there.
Hey. Hey. What is that?
No. A turtle. Turtle.
A turtle?
Yeah.
It's not a turtle.
Yeah.
I think it's a walnut. Oh, you got a bug right by your eye. Whoa, hello.
Birdie. Okay, birdie.
Go get the birdies, Max.